So these are campaigns. Basically, there's something called marketing goal. Whenever you are running a campaign means campaign, right? That you are running some marketing promotions. That is called one campaign. Like you are running a promotion for this webinar, it's called one campaign. You are running a promotion for Diwali offer, that's one campaign. So one particular marketing promotion is called a campaign, right? So let's say uh, in Facebook there are lots of campaigns available. You when you are creating your ad, you need to be sure that what is the objective, what is the result you want from your ads. Do you want to generate leads? Basically, do you want people's name, email, phone number, and then you can contact them and close the sale? That is one thing. Or do you want sales? Like, for example, Flipkart. They are not generating leads, they are generating sales directly. Another example can be, let's say, some blog is there. They don't want sales and leads. They want people to watch their read their content. Another example can be message. Like there are pages where they want conversations to happen. Another can be brand like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. They don't want leads, they don't want traffic, nothing. They just want to promote their message that this is the product, just promote it. They want to promote an emotion, right? Maggie, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Pizza Hut, they are not selling anything right away from the ad. They are just making people aware about the product. So this is where most people go wrong while creating their ad, right? It's like going to a grocery shop and asking that I want 1 liter of milk. Maybe grocery shop is just selling rice and all. If you're going to grocery shop with the aim of buying milk, that will be a wrong thing. So you need to go to milkman to get milk, not grocery shop. If you're going to milkman and asking for rice, so that is the thing why most people's ad go wrong. People want leads, but they are running some traffic campaigns. Why? Because traffic campaigns are cheaper. People want sales, but they are running lead campaigns. So these are the things, right? So now coming to quickly to what are the different possibilities in Facebook. Quickly, I'll go through that one by one. First is brand awareness. Second is reach. Both are almost similar. Brand awareness is used by companies where you need to initially promote your brand. Just example can be Coca-Cola. They just want to say that uh, this is the new brand. Maybe even as an individual, we can promote our personal brand. We don't want anything to happen. We don't want any outcome, but we just want to let people know that we exist. This is what Pankaj is doing. Pankaj is teaching Facebook people how to launch their ads. So I'll just create one ad and just circulate it on Facebook. It is the most cheapest ad, right? But I can't expect sales out of it. My initial aim is to educate people that I'm doing ads, right? Now what is the difference between brand awareness and reach? Brand awareness means it will reach same people multiple times so that they will have more recall. But in reach, with the same amount of money, you're reaching lot many people. Okay, let me give you example. Take an example of a newspaper. Giving your ad on front page, let's say it's costing you 1 lakh rupees. If you're giving spending 1 lakh rupees and giving your ad on front page, more people will remember you, right? Because that is the first page. People will open it, before opening also they will know. So more quality audience you are getting. One person is recollecting you more and more. But let's say if you spend same 10th 1 lakh rupees to give your ads on fifth page, sixth page, it will be a lot cheaper, right? So instead of giving your ads on particular one newspaper, you can give on multiple newspaper because that way ads will be cheaper. Clear? So it's like reaching more audience, and that is reach. That's the just the difference between two. Now coming to second part, traffic. Traffic is to be used when you want to drive visitors to your website. Like for example, if you have blog, You want people readers for your blog. Okay. Engagement. What when is engagement to be used? When you want to increase page likes, Facebook page likes. Then you have to use engagement. You have created a post. You want more and more people to comment, like, and share. Use engagement. App installs. If you have a mobile app and you want more and more people to know about it, for example, there is an app called Zomato, Swiggy, we all know. So they can give their ad on Facebook. They just need app installs. Once people install their app, they will do the rest with the notifications and all, right? But their objective is to install the app. If they are using brand awareness or traffic, they can promote that Zomato exists. But people are not going to download unless they tell them download it. Why this differ? Because when you are giving your ad, there only that option is there. What uh, action do you want? And one more concept is there before we proceed. Like, okay, and now coming to video views. Video views means like people who wants more and more video views. Lead generation we have discussed. People who want more and more leads. Messages, people who wants more and more messages on their Facebook page. Conversions. Conversion, this is important. When people want sales, let's say I was running conversion ad. Why? Because you came to my page, paid 499 rupees directly, and entered this workshop, right? So you were a sale for me. So I was running conversion ads. Catalog sales is run by e-commerce brands where they have multiple products at once, wide range of products. Store traffic, this is another unique objective given by Facebook, where you want people to walk into your store. Let's say you are a owner of a clothes store brand, or you own a big bazaar franchisee. So you want people to walk in your store. So you'll tell people, tell Facebook, I want this type of people who will see my offer and come to my store to claim it. So Facebook can track those things as well. Just see the mechanism.